How to download Bilibili on iPhone. This video will show you how to install and use Bilibili on your iOS devices like the iPhone or iPad. So the first step is to go to the App Store. So click on the App Store icon on the homepage of your iPhone or iPad. Then you want to click the bottom right hand corner where it says search. Then you should see at the top of the screen the toolbar should pop up where you can just type in Bilibili. Then once you see the Bilibili logo on the screen, obviously it's got the Mandarin version there, so you want to go ahead and click on the one where it has the logo like this. Click on get. Then once you've clicked on get, you want to click on install when the pop-up comes up. Then depending on your internet connection, it could take either a few seconds or a few minutes. But once it's done, you can click on open on this page here, or you can go to the home screen of your iPhone or iPad, then click on the Bilibili app there. Then you can go ahead, log in, sign up, or just use it in general as you wish. So please leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.